Hey there, it's Corey from Autobrush, and today I'm talking about our knockoff exchange program. This is a limited edition program we're running for the very first time starting this Friday, June 7th, where we're inviting our customers to show us proof of purchase for a knockoff to upgrade to an Autobrush. This is really inspired by the fact that there's a huge actual difference in quality between the knockoffs versus the reals. Sometimes you can get something that's close enough online and you can live with it. But when it endangers your oral health, it really makes a big difference in our customers' lives. So with knockoffs, this is one from Kids, generic one from Amazon. The brush heads are very bendy, like too bendy to really scrape against your teeth to remove plaque. I've also found with this one, the silicone part peels off and is left with like a small piece of plastic that's a real choking hazard. So safety matters too. When you turn on the lights, there's just these two blue ones. They say LEDs a lot of time in dental grade, but these won't do anything. So you won't get any of those benefits that you might expect when you see dental grade LEDs. There were studies done. Using one of these is basically the same as not brushing your teeth at all. But if you take that and compare it to an Autobrush, this is our Autobrush. It's sporting a 6 to 8 brush head, so we have an additional size compared to most knockoffs. The brush head itself is so much more sturdy. There's still some bend to it, so that way you have some comfort in the mouth. But besides that, the bristles themselves are definitely a lot more sturdy to scrape off the plaque on your teeth. We have blue bristles, so you know when to replace them, and an extra row of silicone to massage above the gum line. So it's a really comprehensive clean that you get with our Autobrush, and that makes a huge difference. While the knockoff was shown to be no better than not brushing your teeth at all, the Autobrush was shown to remove 82% more plaque on average across all surfaces. From going from not brushing your teeth at all to being 5 times better than what you're doing with your normal manual toothbrush, it's an infinitely better quality. Our Autobrush stands alone as an amazing product. So that's what's really inspiring us to do this. If you happen to see this video between June 7th and 9th, click the link to our Typeform and you can fill out all the details to submit your proof of purchase for a knockoff and try to get an awesome Autobrush replacement for free. We're only offering this to the first 100 people. We're hoping to get a bunch of feedback so we really truly understand the differences between the two and why people are deciding to take the knockoff route rather than buy the main real deal that's clinically proven and awesome. Thank you for your support. It means the world that you sat through this video. Bye.